All right, put a little oil down. This is gonna be a non-vegan meal. Doing potatoes. This one was peeled, so I'm using it. Carrots. I should go get an onion, but I might be lazy and not. Those hurt pretty hard at the end, even though I cut the ends off. Boom, in the fire. Oh, I'll go get an onion. The mosquitoes are back. Okay, just need a little bit of onion. That's probably too much onion. Put some oil over it. A little bit of oil. Creole seasoning. I have a piece of leftover aluminum foil that was already there. I'm gonna put that over the top. That might help the onions from burning so bad. I did a terrible job. Hopefully it'll hold the oil on. Now I'm gonna light the grill. I know, stop now. You're gonna screw it up. And start the potatoes. Go. All right, I brought my wrong tongs, but I can make these work. Keep flipping these, I don't wanna burn them. All right, I'm gonna flip again. I got the grill up to about 350. All right, here it is, the London Broil. I am not vegan today. I got the grill up to 400 and do that about 4 minutes. All right, I used pretty close to my standard marinade, sriracha, and I think I used applewood rub and 2 other kind of dry rubs on it, and I'll show a picture of it here. All right, Montreal steak, applewood, and sriracha. All right, there's a minute left on this side. I'll explain again. Usually I do 3.5 to 4 minutes on high on each side, then I turn the grill off and I do the same amount on each side. Cooking it more like a tri-tip. That gives it a good crust and cook all the way through. All right, about 7 seconds before the timer goes off. This. Restart it. I'm gonna try to even get it a little bit hotter. All right, I turned it up even higher. All right, now we're gonna flip it again and turn the heat off and cook these potatoes. Now we'll turn the heat off and do 4 more minutes. So what you're basically doing is you're trying to get a sear, and I don't know, it's a nice day, but my grill didn't get as hot as this usually gets. This grill usually has the opposite problem. And I haven't cooked meat in a really long time, and there's a chance I might pay for this. But you do it on high on each side and then you turn it off, and it kind of does indirect heating. That way it holds all the heat in from it so you don't burn the outside and have the inside raw. Usually works pretty well. There's like 100 videos of me cooking these things in the past, because now I'm mostly veganish. Okay, now let's flip it. Flip the potatoes. 4 more minutes. So halfway through the last flip, it's still 250 inside the grill, and I'm gonna fire it back up right at the end, take it out, let the potatoes cook some more, and let the meat rest for 5 minutes. And I think today I'll be lucky to eat half of this. You know, it's been a while. It's gonna be a lot of meat. All right, not only am I eating meat that I shouldn't be eating, I'm gonna drink some more Dr. Pepper. All right, gonna take the meat off. Oh, that looks beautiful. Flip the potatoes, let them cook while this rests for 5 minutes. Beautiful. Go. All right. Flip the potatoes again. Put the London back on here so I can cut it, because that's too much. All Alright, I'm gonna cut this sucker in half. It's rested, but it's back on the grill. It's easier for me to cut it here. Oh, that came out. I was worried, and I think I went a little too long. That's a solid medium. Okay, use this knife to cut it thin. Yeah, that's medium. I was a little unsure since it's been so long. 3.5 minutes would have been perfect.
It's a little more red than my cameras show.
It's pretty good. Still, let's see, it's still juicy. You can see the red there. I'll show you with the camera, with the cell phone. That's a lot of meat for me. Back in the day, I would have eaten that whole thing probably in one sitting. Don't tell my cardiologist. There we go. And share.
We'll see.
Flies are back. That's good. Right there's the potatoes and onions. Got a little brown spot to them. Those are good. Good. Do a flyover with those.
The camera's not great on the cell phone, but that's medium rare.
Flyover. I was just told it looks raw, and I think it's overcooked. But it's still got... I can't. Shadows. You can see it's still good. And I'll undo the potato. There's a flyover. I'm going inside the tent pretty soon. These flies are bugging me. And the potatoes, carrots, and onions right out of there. Look at that. Oh, that's good eating. That's vegan. That's not vegan. Oh yeah, from the shores of Lake Superior State Park, right off of H58, which is also the Grand Marais Truck Trail. Have a great and wonderful day. This might be a little better lighting in here. Looks more done than it is. See the juice. See the juice still coming out of there. Potatoes, so you got a second flyby. I'm inside the screen tent. Much better than dealing with the bugs. Now have a great day from the shores of Lake Superior.
Another day, another meal.
Alright, I had 3 buns left, 2 burgers left, and some of the London Broil flies, and I'm just going to make a London Broil sandwich. And there's the London Broil sandwich. Yummy. There's the leftover Impossible burgers. To me, just as good as burgers. There's some veggies coming. You might not get to see those. Wait a minute. Smiley face. Lost our foil. I gotta go get foil.
Oh my god, that burger. Such a finger to the egg.
Okay, great wonderful day. Never mind, look at that. There's not a vegan day again. London Broil sandwich. Have a great and wonderful day.
Some homemade baked beans that finished off a great day.